What's going on, guys? Brandon from BC Customs. Once again, we finally just finished up this Harley Dyna tank front fender, rear fender, and both wheels. And we also had some missed parts that we already sent to the customer, but these turned out freaking slick. So we ended up doing the Illusion Ruby on the front fender, the tank, and the rear fender, and the same thing on the wheel, but we ended up doing their famous two-tone setup. So we got the Illusion Ruby on the spokes here, and then gloss black on the contours. So if you guys have anything like motorcycle parts, gas tanks, rims, parts, whatever it is, give us a call, 705-288-6453, or message us on our Facebook page, and I can get you some quoting and ETA on how long this stuff takes, because it does take a long time. Stuff like this, normally we can ship it out within 1 to 2 weeks. Lead time, stuff like this, those are booked in and literally took about 6 hours a wheel. So those have to be specially booked specifically just on their own, but they're worth the wait and they will look obviously sick, and nobody else in town will have that, right? So this is what we do. We do specialty stuff. So yeah, give us a call, give us a shout, and yeah, thanks for watching.